single dry dock can lift a fully loaded aircraft carrier, over 100,000 tons of steel, out of the ocean like it weighs nothing. That's not a crane, that's a floating dry dock, and the engineering behind it is extraordinary. Here's how it works. A floating dry dock is essentially a giant, hollow, U-shaped pontoon. It sinks itself by flooding its ballast tanks with seawater, lowering until the ship can float directly over it. Then, pumps expel the water, and the entire structure rises, lifting the ship clear of the surface. The secret to doing this without buckling is distributed load. Instead of lifting from a few points, the dry dock supports the ship along its entire keel, spreading hundreds of thousands of tons across a massive flat surface. Ship lifts work on a similar principle, but use a different method. A massive concrete cradle sits on synchronized hydraulic rams or cables, and the ship is floated in, then lifted straight up like an elevator. The Three Gorges Dam ship lift in China raises vessels weighing 3,000 tons a full 113 meters in under 40 minutes. Synchronization is everything. If one side lifts faster than the other, the hull could crack under its own weight. Sensors and computer systems keep every jack within millimeters of each other. These machines don't just move ships. They make it possible to build, repair, and inspect vessels that would otherwise never leave the water. Engineering at a scale most people never see.